We have a 1939 Chevy Sedan. Definitely has an aftermarket motor, and you can see it from here. Fuel injectors and all that on top. Body type, identification number, two-door sedan, model JA, engine LS3. You also see the upgraded interior with the bucket seats. Ooh, that's an automatic. Yeah, it's automatic. With the tilt steering wheel. Full gauge package, but you know, looking like antique. It also has some custom work done to the dash. Nice back seat in here. Graphics. Look how deep those wheels are. A lot of meat. Get back here a little bit. All right. Meow, 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 huh? as we should have. Miss Cat. Keep thinking about her. Alright, just to catch me out right here.
Alright, listen up, folks. It's Saturday afternoon.
That's what they used to say back in the day. To catch me out. Being super cool. Sweet ride, that's for sure. You like to be rolling down the highway with that, huh?